Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. So today I will show you how to draw a unplugged eyebrow perfectly. So let's get started. I am moisturizing my eyes with this Patanjali aloe vera gel cause I'll do an eye look later. So for a perfect eyebrows, I am brushing my eyebrows first. I am taking this pomade which is dark brown color. I am drawing the lower line of my brow. If you have a light eyebrows, you can use light brown, and you can use dark brown if you have thick brows. It's up to you. Then I am drawing my upper line of my brows. I am filling it in with this pomade. I am using a little amount of this very carefully so that any harsh line cannot be visible. Now I am blending it with a brush. Perfect brushing will make my eyebrows natural. I am taking a powder shade and it is also brown color. Setting my eyebrows with this, you have to be very careful that we shouldn't cross the line which we drawn before. As a beginner, it will be better if you not use black color for your brows. If you use black color, it will be hard for you to make it natural. I am using Eye Magic concealer and its warm ivory shade. I am drawing a straight line below my eyebrows slowly and of course very carefully. I am spreading my concealer in lower area also. You should use 1 or 2 shades lighter concealer from your skin tone. As I said, I will do an eye look later. That's why I am concealing my whole eye. And now I am drawing a line upper part of my eyebrows with concealer. You can see how I am drawing it and making it sharp. If you messed up anything, you can fix this with concealer. I am using this shade to set my concealer. For setting my concealer, I am using a powder brush and that's it. And this is my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Do comment, like and share. Allah Hafiz.